Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I got myself my first RC jet boat. It's a sprint boat made by FTX or distributed by FTX. I know it's called other names as well, but this one, the Glader, a bit of a weird name, but hopefully it's a good boat. Let's bring you in a bit closer and have a look. So out of the box, let's get rid of this plastic. We've got quite a nice looking controller. It's light, but it feels quite nice. We've got our steering dual rate, steering trim, throttle dual rate, the auto demo mode again, so we'll have to test that out later, see what that's all about. The light button, reset button, so I suppose that is if it flips over it will right itself. On off button, got a little hook for a lanyard as well, and yeah, it looks like it will take 4 AAs in there, and yeah, it looks all right. We've got our standard lithium-ion battery that you seem to get with these things a lot now, 1500 milliamps, great. The charger, yeah, okay, I probably won't be using that, but it's good that it comes with it. We've got the boat. Let's undo this. Nice detailing on the cockpit of the boat here. The guys have got some pretty big noses though. There's the light bar, which, yeah, no, it looks like you could probably put some lights in it, but they don't light up. Nice big engine on it with exhaust and things. Inside here we've got a 390 motor, a 9G servo. ESC looks nicely waterproof, which would be a good thing. Our battery holder. Let's have a look. Got our jet propulsion system on the back there. That looks really cool actually. Looks like we suck the water up in the bottom here and spray it out the back. Also collects it here, goes around the motor to cool it. So that's going to look pretty cool, and it comes out the side. Nice. These are the LED lights. Let's see what else we get in this box. Manual, which is really good actually. Shows you how to charge the battery up and all that kind of thing, how the boat works. But the best thing is you can actually get parts for this, which is quite rare for something of this price point. Also, you put these two pieces of plastic together like this, and we've got ourselves a boat stand. We've got a rubber crash bumper on the front there, which is removable. Nice little bit of detail on it. I like the colour as well, it really pops. You can get this in the UK by a company called FTX. I think it's about £50, and then it's XTYN or something like that.
It comes from China.
I'll leave a link to the description below where you can pick these up in America. I think they're about $60 over there. All I need to do to get this running is charge up the battery pack it comes with and put in some AAs, I think 4 in the controller. So let's do that. Let's get it out there and see how good this thing really is. Okay, so it does not turn at all unless you've got the throttle on. That's turned full lock with the throttle on, nothing. So that takes a bit of getting used to. It's pretty rapid. Okay, so let's try auto mode. Right, so that's it, just driving around in circles. And that, right, well, don't really see the point of that, but okay. It doesn't like going backwards. So the motor will run backwards, but it just sounds a bit like not a lot's going on there. I like it, the handling is really good. The initial turn in, look at that. It looks great. Look at that. Oh. Now either I've just lost it or I forgot to put the rubber nose cone on. So at the box it seems to turn a lot tighter left than right. Uh-oh. Oh no, we're good. Man, that's fun. Not for the guys in the boat though. I don't know why it's doing that, but I kind of like it. Right, it's starting to lose power a little bit now. Okay, so reverse doesn't work, but it does kind of turn the boat on the spot a little bit. Or yeah, reverse kind of turns the boat on the spot a little bit. Not very well, but if you sort of jab the throttle, it does. Yeah, whoa! Seems to be getting better the more I use it. So that was all on the stock battery, completely stock out of the box, didn't touch anything. Right, so after that run, I got 7 minutes out of it, but it was pretty much full throttle all the time. It did go underwater a couple of times, and there is a little bit of water in there, which, yeah, isn't too good. Might have to look into that a little bit. The seals seem pretty intact though, so not really sure why that is. Unless this cooling system's leaking, but really good fun. Right, okay, location number 2. And I'm going to start running it on these 2S LiPos 1300s, see if we get much of a performance gain. Let's check it. Throw it in. Off we go. And if you chuck it in upside down,
not a great plan.
So I've actually had to tip this boat upside down because I couldn't get it to do it by itself. So I press the self-right button. There it goes. Oh, and it works. Nice. That is nice.
cold, beautiful, windy English day, and yeah, really happy with the boat. I think we might have to go brushless in the next video though, but so far well chuffed with it, especially for like, what was it, £50, $60, something like that. Well worth the money so far. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. I haven't even managed to tip it over, even though the water's pretty choppy today because of the wind. So yeah, super happy with it.